I think eh, to start with, you can't be too prescriptive with when you take new roles and when opportunities come up. I think you just have to be very open minded to take opportunities when they come. Fundamentally, when I began my career as a chemical engineer, I recognized early on that my interest was having a broad interaction and broad perspective of the business. And I was very curious to see how the business worked and wanted to have opportunities to be very involved and have a significant impact on the results. And that ultimately led to chances to move into different roles, whether it's supply chain, sales, manufacturing, technology, as you mentioned. So, in a lot of ways, the way you approach the work doesn't change, but you have to plan your day a little differently and plan your business interactions a little differently. I'm a big believer that it's important to provide clarity of what the objectives and targets are for the business, have a clear understanding of the purpose and what our strategy and objectives are, and then allow people to make the right decisions within that context. So when you think about expanding from one region to multiple regions, in a lot of ways, things don't change. You have to trust your organization to act, but you have to make sure you're putting in the time to ensure everyone understands exactly what we want to accomplish and there's clear buy-in. Fundamentally, I think it's really making sure you choose the right folks for the right roles and giving them opportunity to navigate on their own. And so when you think about progressing through your career to my current role, the way I operate hasn't changed, but the level of detail and specificity has certainly diminished over time, and much more of my time is focused on interaction, context setting, and relationship building, along with effectively communicating what our ambitions are as a business and understanding what the concerns are in the organization that prevent us from reaching them so I can help remove those barriers. So manufacturing is a place where you can really make a difference. And I think that's what's exciting for young folks coming out of college. They see something like Aditya Birla Fashion as a great opportunity to participate in a business that's got a great deal of visibility. Birla Carbon and other manufacturing units are things you just don't see. But the criticality of those materials and products that are being made to what everyone does every day, and the criticality of bringing these processes and manufacturing units to a sustainable footprint, allowing for a more sustainable environment and future is critical for all of us. So it's a chance to really make a difference. And I think that's what should be exciting about joining manufacturing organization for anyone coming out of university today or anyone considering a job change.